How to create an account on Wave. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up your account on Wave. Let's get started. First, open up any browser. Here I'm using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in Wave. After that, scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. This is the official website of Wave. And here on the top right corner you can see this get started for free option. Click on it to sign up your account. After that you'll be loaded to this page. Here type in your email address on this first field. After that type in the password that you want to set on this website, or you can also choose this strong password recommended by Google. If you want to sign up your account with Google, simply click on this sign on with Google button, and if you have already created an account, you can click on this sign in now and type in your credentials and click on login. After that, click on get started to create a new account. Now you need to type in your info to continue using this account. Simply type in your first name and last name here. Now type in your business name. After that, click on this drop down menu and choose what your business do from here. Now click on next. Click on this get started with Juhu Books. And this is how you create an account on Wave application. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.